So in this fifth step, I will be talking about fees, funds, and scholarships and how to pay them. So first I will tell you about how I paid my fees. So in very simple terms, my fees was £13,500 back in 2020 when I joined. And the scholarship that I got and the discounts that I got after deducting all that, my fees was around 10 lakh rupees, equivalent to £10,500 at that time. So how I paid my fees was I was aspiring to come to UK anyways. So I had saved some money, quite a few FDs I had. So what I did was a smart thing, and I think all of you should do this if you have some savings. So what I had was I had an FD of total cumulative FD of 18 lakh rupees, on which I took an overdraft account. I opened an overdraft account for those 18 lakhs. I got 15 lakhs, 30,000 rupees, with which I paid my fees. I paid all the expenses, IHS and travel expenses, and I had some 2 lakh cash with me, which I brought here to survive for the first few days and weeks. And those funds are the same funds that I showed during my visa, which is what you can do also. And the best part about it is your own money, and you're just paying 2% annual interest on that for the OD account. Check with your bank, they will have certain things similar to this. My bank was Axis Bank. So if you have any queries about this and how to go about it, you can just comment below. I will help you out. It's better than giving 2% monthly interest to some fund manager or fund people who arrange. So I think this is a very smart step. So it's not about how you pay your fees, it's about when and how much you should pay. So if you are sure that you have selected and followed the correct method of step 1, 2, 3 and 4, then you know that you will want to go to that particular university. So best way is to go to the university's page, check out the scholarship. You can get IELTS good score scholarship, international student scholarship, alumni scholarship sometimes, and there are at least 100 different types of scholarship depending on the universities. So make sure you check, and that will easily save you £2,000 approximately, 2,500 pounds. And then if you also pay the fees in bulk, like if you pay your full course fees, which increases your visa chances, and in interview also you can tell that I paid my full fees. It's a very good plus point. It will help you that also, and on top of it, it will give you a discount. During my time, it was £1,000 discount that I got. Now it has reduced to I think 400 or 500 pounds. Just make sure to check on your university website. It will be under early payments discount or full fees payment discount, which is where you will save 40,000, 50,000, maybe 1 lakh rupees. So this is a very good step. And then when you are paying the fees, it doesn't matter you pay by any Western Union or your bank or internet banking or just direct bank transfer with the Swift code to the university account. Don't worry about 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 rupees, guys. It's not a big amount, I think. When you are paying 10 lakh, 12 lakh rupees fees or 15 lakh rupees fees, don't worry about this 1,000, 10,000, whatever few thousand you will save during the conversion rate or bank charges or anything. Just don't worry about it, because you will be, earning a lot more than that. Now, coming to the point when you can pay your fees back, you have taken OD account, overdraft account, like in my case, you need to pay that back. So it's no requirement that you need to pay in 4 months, 5 months. You can just pay off as and when you want, and the amount will be credited to your own account. So it's like taking a loan against FD. So what I do is now I just pay off 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees every month, and it helps, and then close the account. So when you are paying your fees, I think this is a very smart step. And of course, when you come here as a student, you will be working part-time, and then you can earn, and that will be a scope of another video. So let's not get into there. So during the process, this is where you pay your fees. How you pay your fees, I have already explained. Now in the next video, which is the step 6, I will be talking about credibility interview, what it is, how to talk, what are the things that you need to keep in mind. So stay tuned for part 6, which is about credibility interview. Thank you, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends and aspirants who are planning to come to UK. And make sure you follow me on Instagram also, and stay connected. Thank you, guys.